Let's make Ogbono soup with spinach. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're highly welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for stopping by again today. I'll be making Ogbono soup today, and these are the ingredients I'll be using: Ogbono, stockfish, blended onions and pepper, chicken stock cubes and beef cubes, and then my grain fresh spinach and salt. I'll be adding crayfish and palm oil later on, but just watch me make this delicious meal. Okay, so at this point I'm just going to allow the meat, the beef and chicken, boil in its own stock. I've already pre-boiled the stockfish, but I still put it here because I love the stockfish to be soft. Okay, so now I washed my ogbono. So let me know in the comment section, do you normally wash your ogbono before blending it, or do you just blend it directly? So I washed mine thoroughly in the sink, and it was really dirty. Yeah, it was very dirty. So I just learned that recently, and I've been doing it for a while. Even egusi, I usually wash it. So you might consider washing some of those things because it goes through a lot from the market. I think Ogbono soup is one of the easiest Nigerian soups to prepare, or African soup rather. I don't know if other countries eat Ogbono soup, but it's very, very easy to prepare. And there you have it. My chicken is almost ready. I can't put all in the pot right now because it's bigger than, I don't have a big pot, right? But I'm all done cooking, and the flavor, the aroma, it's everywhere. So I just packed this up in some bowls, and I'll be storing them up in my freezer. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.